Today we have the 2016 BMW Z4. This vehicle was done just over 70,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, smartphone integration and navigation. Just below our screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side, parking sensors and our button for our convertible roof.